This is my second cycle. I set this one for normal run with the extra dry time, and so far it's been really nice. I've already had to. I tried the start pause button to pause the cycle and add a couple utensils in there. It worked really well. It didn't create a mess when I opened the door. But I used a little common sense and carefully opened the door just so I wouldn't get any splashback. The magnets that hold the door together are actually pretty strong. So that's really nice. Taking it out of the box, it was a pretty easy setup, plug and play. The instructions are written pretty well and really easy to follow. I have it set up to where it's draining. Sorry, don't mind my chicken. I'm in the middle of prepping dinner. And I don't have it set up to where the water comes from the sink, but I do fill it up on the top. We prefer that method just because our house is really small. Our plumbing is not set up for a dishwasher. Plus we have a purifier on our faucet, so we can't set it up for that. But I could take this off and set it up that way if I wanted to. I just don't want to, so that I'm also able to wash larger pots and pans that I use as I'm cooking all the time. Other than that, so far so good. Once again, it's the second load. Don't see or foresee any issues as of yet.
Very impressed with that.
picture. And the extra fruit basket and the hose.
Working perfectly. I've had it for a few days now and it's done 3 washes per day. Yeah, I've only had it a short time, but I have to say it works bloody outstanding, and it saves a whole lot of work for me. The only thing I would recommend is at least just scrape your plates before you put your plates in. Other than that, it works tip top, can't complain, and yeah, I would highly recommend. Cheers y'all, bye.
fellow drug dealer Carlton Brown was killed on Darien Street by hitman Lamont Lewis on Kibani's command. Over the next few years, Kibani contracted the killing of at least 5 other murders. People like 32-year-old Barry Parker and 26-year-old Tyrone Tolo.
Le nouveau Dyson Airwrap ID connecté, sèche, boucle, sculpte.
It's so cool.